woman. So, chubby, sexy, short lady, and time to let go, no? So, mga Scorpio, no? So, meron dito, no? For some of you, no? I think, no, mga Scorpio natin na, for some of you, ang nakikita ko dito, may, etong connection na to, maybe this is the third party. I think, no, for some of you, whoever it is, no, maybe kayo to or ang person nyo, again, no, vice versa, no, mga Scorpio. So, meron ditong single parent, no, maybe for some of you, no, kasi may single parent na dito. No? So, maybe for some of you, you are this, no, a single parent, no, for some of you. And, yeah. So, ang nakikita ko kasi dito, Scorpio, no, yan, no, kumbaga parang meron ditong pregnant, no, meron ditong nag-set up ng pregnancy, no, merong nagplano talaga na maybe this mature man or woman, whoever it is, no, ay talagang maybe paplanuhin niyang magpabuntis, no, or magbuntis, no, something like that, no. So, just again, no, take what's resonate, no. So, maybe this single parent is someone na chubby, sexy, na hindi katangkaran, no, something like that, or ikaw to, no, mga Scorpio, or again, kung sino yung third party, no, maybe, no, siya yun, no, ang mga Scorpio natin. So, maybe ikaw to, Scorpio, na gusto mo nang buntisin tong third party na ito, no, who is a single parent, or gusto nyo nang mabuntis. So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no, there is someone na nagpaplano na magbuntis na or magkaroon ng pregnancy here, no, something like that, no. It's a setup, no, parang para ay may matrap, no, pwede rin gano'n, no, something like that, no, maybe itong mature man or woman, no, ay gustong matrap, no, something like that, or pinaplan na matrap, no, something like that, no. So, kayo lang din nakakaalam nito, no. So, maybe for some of you, no, nangyayari pa lang to or mangyayari pa lang, no, medyo magulo pa yung sitwasyon, no. So, parang hindi siya ganun ka-solid, no, something like that, no. So, but then meron ditong true love kasi, no, something like that, no. So, that's why parang may gusto dito na parang gustong magkaanak na, no, something like that, no.